Okay guys, first time video, 12 pill standard 2879, and don't make a habit of doing many videos on stuff over an 8 pill because I simply don't have the supply to properly run it back here, or the dummy load. The dummy load is another big deal. I kill my dummy load, and if I kill it, I end up killing my amp. So I got to be real careful, especially with this box. I'm not going to stay on it very long. Just want to do a test on it, make sure everything's good. The pass-through SWR has been checked on it, so the pass-through is below a 1-to-1 SWR. This is a 12-pill standard 2879, so if a 4-pill standard takes 150 watts PEP a drive, an 8-pill will take 280 to 300, then that only means that a 12-pill, which is basically 3 4-pills, will take around 450 watts PEP going in, absolute max. So good driver for this thing, 2-pill standard 2879, 2-pill C box if you're not driving it very hard. We're just going to test it, RCI 2970 N2. Now if I remember correctly, this thing is doing around 300 watts PEP, so we're definitely not going to be testing it to full output, which is good because again, I don't have the dummy load for it right now, and I do not have the power supply to properly run this box. 200 plus amps, probably 250 amps is where I would be on one of these. We'll see what it does on the clamp meter. It's probably going to draw a ton of power. 4 hot wires coming out of it, and you do have a lug on the back for your ground. Now we're just clamped off to the lug right now, and then the 4 hot wires there. I know someone is probably saying, well geez, why didn't they just put one single hot wire on there? Well, one of the benefits of having the smaller wires, they're a lot easier to work with, a lot easier to maneuver around. They accomplish the same thing. Maybe it's a cost thing, I don't know, but when you add a second, third, and fourth wire, of the same size, it gets the job done. So they're only a short run anyway, so you're going to be running your battery or your alternators, whatever, with a much larger wire. So anyway, that being said, got 4 of those hots coming out. We'll test this guy. I'm not going to stay on it long, just going to be a real quick test because I don't want to cook my dummy load, but we'll see how this guy does. First things first, I'm just going to give a quick audio here and just get I don't even know what it's drawing. I didn't pre-test and see, so we'll see here. 14.8 volts. Yeah, so it's giving my 150 amp power supply hell. Or is this a 200? I can't even remember what size power supply I've got. I've got 150 or a 200. It's giving it hell. Yeah, it's maxing it out there. So drawing some good current. We'll go to average power. If I can get over the amp here, that's a 2500 watt slug, top scale. Ooh, audio. Ooh. Showing 750 plus. We'll see what it does PEP. Again, guys, I'm starving this thing for power. Check, check, audio, check, check, audio, check, check, audio. So showing 2 kW plus. So it would be doing a lot more average, but we're running out of juice for it. You can see my supply drops down. Ooh, it's dropping down 14.2 when I key it down. So we're starving this guy. Still seeing some real good peak numbers out of it, 2,000 plus. Fully expect this thing to show 1 kW average with the proper amount of drive going into it. Nice box here. Like I said, the 4 pills, they'll do 400 average, so I see no trouble with this thing doing 1,000 to 1,200 average. But clean bill of health, good running box, and this one will be going in a mobile setup. So that's it, guys. 12 pill 2879 standard, lightly tested. Appreciate it. Rooster in Tennessee. See you. Bye.